Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me ask you, have you ever felt like your hair just isn't as full or strong as it used to be? Whether it's from stress, age, or a hormonal change, thinning hair can be a challenge. But today, we're talking about a product that could make a real difference. The Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Hair Regrowth Treatment for Women. If you're looking to reclaim thicker, fuller hair, stay tuned because this could be your answer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. Carol's Daughter is a brand that has built its reputation on empowering natural beauty, and this treatment is no different. Specifically designed for women, this hair regrowth treatment uses 2% Minoxidil, a dermatologist-recommended active ingredient known for its ability to reactivate hair follicles and stimulate new growth. If you've been battling hair thinning or loss, this product might just become your new best friend. It's a topical solution, easy to apply with a dropper, and it's clinically proven to help regrow hair in just 4 months. Let's dive into the product details. The Goddess Strength Hair Regrowth Treatment comes in a 2-ounce bottle with a month's supply if you follow the instructions of applying 1 milliliter twice a day. The key ingredient here is Minoxidil, a tried and true solution for hair regrowth. For those of you worried about your scalp sensitivity, rest easy. This formula is safe for sensitive scalps and has been designed to reactivate dormant hair follicles. For best results, consistency is key. Use it twice daily, and over time, you should start seeing noticeable regrowth. Just remember, the results aren't immediate, but with persistence, they're definitely achievable. Now let me tell you about my personal experience. Incorporating this treatment into my routine was easy. The dropper makes it simple to apply to specific areas where hair thinning is most noticeable. It absorbs quickly into the scalp without leaving any greasy residue, which is a huge plus. It's also fragrance-free, so there's no overwhelming scent, which I appreciate. In terms of feel, it's lightweight and non-irritating, and after consistent use, I did notice my hair appearing thicker and stronger, though full regrowth requires time. The pros? First off, the formulation is solid. Minoxidil has a long track record of success in treating hair loss, and Carol's Daughter has made it easy to apply without any mess or discomfort. It also works well for all hair types, which is a major advantage. The fact that this treatment is from a Black woman-founded company is also a great bonus. It's a brand that understands the diverse needs of women's hair care. On the flip side, the cons? Well, the price might be a bit high for some, especially when compared to other over-the-counter Minoxidil options. Additionally, because it requires consistent, long-term use, it can feel like a commitment, and results might take several months to fully show. In terms of value, I'd say it's a reasonable investment, especially considering the brand's reputation and the science behind Minoxidil. If you're looking for a proven, clinically backed treatment for hair thinning, this is worth considering. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other Minoxidil treatments out there that might be a bit more affordable, but you're likely sacrificing the brand recognition and the added peace of mind that comes with a trusted name like Carol's Daughter. As for build quality, the packaging is straightforward but functional. The dropper is sturdy, and the bottle design is simple enough to ensure accurate dosing. The 2-ounce size is great for travel and daily use, and it feels like a well-designed product meant for consistent usage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Carol's Daughter also gets a thumbs up for customer service. They are known for being responsive to inquiries, and they've built a strong relationship with their audience over the years. In terms of updates, there don't seem to be any major changes or reformulations at the moment. So what you see is what you get with this product. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something at a lower price point, there are several other Minoxidil-based treatments out there, though none that have the same brand ethos or proven track record for targeting specific needs like Carol's Daughter does. Just be sure to consider how important the brand's values are to you. In summary, the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Hair Regrowth Treatment is a solid option for those looking to combat hair thinning and promote regrowth. While it requires time and consistency to see results, it offers a scientifically backed solution that's easy to use and non-irritating. If you're struggling with thinning hair and want something that's both effective and gentle, this could be a great addition to your hair care routine. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.